Welcome back, traders. After Monday's jaw-dropping 454-point reversal range, we're entering Tuesday with tension in the air and FOMC on deck tomorrow. Today is a low news session, but don't let that fool you. This market is still very volatile and every level matters. Monday, we opened with a 90-point gap down, but bulls reversed hard, rallying 454 points to challenge Friday's 5,250 to 5,300 sellers and closed 21 points higher than Friday. Let's break it all down. The 10-day volume profile is still one time framing down, but now we're building value above the POC at 5,104, which lines up with August's POC. So that is pretty key. Value shifting higher means bulls aren't done yet. Weekly, we're seeing signs of a shift. The weekly POC now aligns with last week's value area low at 5,075, up 163 points. Daily is still one time framing down with a high at 5,286.50. If bulls can hold above 5,075, the pressure might shift to the upside. Drilling into the delta chart, we find aggressive responsive buying above the weekly VWAP and clear seller interest above 5,250 right here, right inside Friday's opening range. So the battlefield is drawn out. And a quick glance into New York's TPO structure shows us an insane 420-point range with a 131-point value area. Both ends show strong X's, confirming indecision. An open above this POC 5,173 would favor the bulls, staying below 5,111, and the bears might get another shot. So let's dive in what really matters, the 1 hour chart and our strike prices. Globex is currently trading between the strike prices with a midpoint at 5,200, a high at 5,300 and a low at 5,100. A new A to B price range has formed. Keep your eyes glued to these extremes. They will tell you everything about breakout or reverting. For my game plan today, my line in the sand will be 5,111, our battlefield, the high volume node, and the weekly close. Everything lines up here. Longs can start at 5,113, the edge of the high volume node, targeting 5,160, 5,200 and 5,238. At the bottom of the low volume node, shorts can target 5,055, 5,021 and 4,975. Guys, this market is not waiting for headlines. Liquidity is thin, volatility is thick, and tomorrow's FOMC will shake the tree. Until then, respect the levels and manage your risk. Hit like, subscribe, hit the bell. If you are using my Sentinel playbook or daily game plans, keep it tight and stick to the edge. See you in the next one.